YouTube. Oh man, what's going on? Today, man, it's a different day. I'm about to go running, and I'm actually going to Florida June 19th. I said today is gonna be the day where I'm on my exercising. I'm gonna run every day, blah blah blah, and I am about to run and start my little diet and all that. But anyway, I wanted to weigh myself, and my scale broke. The other day when I went to Goodwill, I seen a scale, so what I'm about to do now is first get in my car, go up to the Goodwill up the street, see if that scale's still there, get that, come back, weigh myself, then go run. Before I start exercising, I'm gonna run first. I'm challenging myself to lose about 15 pounds because I got this quarantine weight on me. You understand what I'm saying? So it's an excuse for me to go to the Goodwill real quick. So I'm about to run up there. Got my flip-flops on. But I'm about to run though. And see if they got this scale up here. And guess why we up there? It's an excuse to look through the aisles like 2 minutes. I'm talking about I'm going boom, 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 boom. But I gotta get back. I gotta go to work at 2 o'clock and too much going on, so let's jump into the Goodwill and see what they got. I'm back. I picked up a couple things. I'm about to go running. That scale, as y'all can see, didn't work. I mean, I probably could have changed the batteries. Maybe it would have worked. Maybe the batteries in it was dead. Didn't want to take a chance. Went over to TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx is still not open, so I get one tomorrow. No problem. Ain't gonna stop me from running though, alright? I know I'm pretty heavy right now, so not heavy for real, but heavier than I usually am. You understand? Quarantine weight, that's all that is. Alright, Bronx? You okay? I guess so. Picked up his T-Link. You know, I just went through that real quick. I got all this stuff in 5 minutes. T-Link is brand new. I think I seen comps at like $70-something for this. I don't know. You know how I am. I put it on the screen. If I mess up the price, you'll see it there. I got this for my patio. It's a I don't know how good these work, but it's a thermocell patio shield. Supposed to keep away all the mosquitoes and stuff like that, so when we out here we can chill. So personal buy. I just answered the question about buying stuff personal for myself, and I said I don't buy stuff really for myself unless it's some type of sports stuff, Cowboys or University of Louisville stuff. But here lately I've been buying my stuff and stuff, you know, like this.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, and some other, I think I showed something the other day I bought for myself, a Cowboys pullover and something else. Anyway, and this seat, it's for a racing bike, a road bike. I put the comps on the screen. I think it was like a $25 piece. I think I only seen one other one on there. And yeah, it's made by them people. So yeah, just 3 quick things in less than 5 minutes. Show you guys something real quick. I know y'all been showing y'all my deck. Look, my wife got a new piece. Nice table. Little wood on the outdoor. We got an umbrella too. I'll show y'all that once I set it up. Umbrella got LEDs on it. She's pretty hyped about that. Of course, we can't stain the deck yet. We gotta wait about 6 months to a year. Yes? Let me get it. Thank you, son.
Bruh.
I'll get that in a few. So yeah, she's pretty hyped about that. Anyway, let me go running so I can make this video as short as possible. All right, I'll be back and I'll show you guys what's sold. Whew. What'd I do? 2.2 miles. Yeah, I'm running. I usually run between 3 to 5 miles. I felt good today. I should have ran 5, but I'm doing something different now to where sweating like crazy. I'm lowering my calories per day, so I don't want to burn myself out on running because I'm not eating as much. All right, so there's a balance. So I'm gonna try to run between 2 to 4 miles each day or whenever I run, and stay at around 1,200 calories a day. So I haven't ate today. I'm gonna do a little fasting. I'm not gonna eat after 6, and I eat again until 10 in the morning. So that's a 14-hour fast. So yeah, man, if you're trying to lose weight, fasting, I'm telling you, is the best thing. Start at 12 hours a day, 14 hours a day, 16 hours a day. I'll go in more detail if somebody wants me to, because I did it before and lost a lot of weight. So yeah, enough of me babbling about my exercise. Let's get in here and pack some stuff up. You want to say hi? Alright, I'm not recording y'all no more. Y'all have no energy. Y'all supposed to pep me up, but y'all over like 50%. I need y'all to get to 100 quick.
What up?
There you go. Anyway, man, I just want to go over what's sold real quick because I gotta go to work. And I gotta take a shower because your boy's sweaty. But that was a good run, lovely run. I feel good. Nothing like a run in the shower to get your day started. All right. So first thing I got going out is this vintage corn popper. Can you see that? There we go. This right here, it had a date on it. Yeah, 1992. I started to keep this, man, because sometimes I get my fire going outside. I could throw some corners in there and make some popcorn. I should have kept it, but I ended up selling it. And it went for $13.25 plus shipping. Buyer paid about $14 shipping, so they're about almost $30 into it. Yeah, nice old corn popper. Next thing I got going is some root touch-up. I got this at a store, and the only reason why I got it hard of the pandemic. You know, people couldn't get out, could get their hair done, couldn't get nothing touched up. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna see if it sells. I think I paid about, oh God, I forgot, a couple of dollars. It was at one of them discount stores. I paid like $3 for it, and it only went for $10 with shipping, including shipping. So I should be able to get it out for $2.80. I just want to this was gonna be a test run. I ended up taking the best offer. I had it listed for more than that, but I'm glad I only got it one because it's not a lot of profit into that. So yeah, sometimes you gotta test stuff out just to see if it works. You understand? The next thing I got going out is this lithium, volt lithium ion battery chargers, just the chargers for an RC car. Got this I got this at a thrift store a while back, and it just sold for $9.59, free shipping. I remember I only paid 25 cents for this, so whatever I sold it for, I knew I was gonna make a great profit, and you know, it's okay profit. Not much, you know, as far as but as far as only paying 25 cents, selling it for almost $10, it's pretty good in my eyes. Next thing I got going out is this game. And I just bought this the other day, and it sold like within a day. It's a Goodwill purchase. It's called Quef. Quef. Let's go with Quef. Or Q. Just let me stop saying names. Unpredictable party game. It's where you obey the cards, and I guess you gotta do. I don't even know how to play this game, but it was sealed, so I bought it, and I see that it was actually selling. I sold this for, hello, I dropped my phone, my God. Come on, man, you're messing up my production. I sold this game for $24.99 plus shipping. The buyer's about $35 into this, so it was a great find by me. I only paid $3.99 for this, so great pickup. If you see this game out, get it. Any game that's sealed, get it, because it usually sells pretty good.
You can sell this.
And that's sold within a day, huh?
Sell this.
That's Bronx's too choice. Can't sell that. It's used. I guess another dog would like it. It got Bronx's smell on it, right? Anyway, next thing I got going out is this Malibu. I showed y'all this not too long ago. I put this on a bid auction because it was missing a bumper, and I got one bid on it for $29.99 plus shipping. Shipping is $14, so this buyer is almost almost $50 into this, about $47. It's a nice car. I started to keep it because I have like a nice collection like this over in my, I don't know if y'all can see in my background, I got like Route 66 oil cans and different types of cars, models and stuff like that. I got more I haven't put out yet. I got a whole theme I'm about to do over here, so stay tuned for that. But I went on and sold it. Like I said, sold for $47. So yeah, that was a good buy. I ended up getting this for pretty cheap. I got this same time I got the slot cars that I sold for like almost $500. And so I'm about a couple of dollars into this, and sold for a pretty good price. Plus I don't know, I should be able to ship it for cheaper than that. We'll see. Next thing I got going out is this vintage calculator. It's a Sharp QS 2130 calculator. It's kind of a heavy calculator. I think it's an 80s model, maybe a 90s. I don't know, I don't say it on here, but it sold for $20.99. Free shipping to the buyer. I ended up taking the best offer. I've been having it for a little while, so you know, sometimes you just gotta get stuff out the door, and hopefully I can ship it for under $5. We'll see. I should be able to. Got a little weight on it. You can't tell, but a little weight on them. Old calculators had a little weight to them. I guess that's why they do so good and last so long, because they was actually made out of great materials back then. Head and butter going out. You know, I always tell you about this. Mess maker. These went for $14.99 plus shipping, so the buyer's about $20 into it. I can send these out for about $3.80. So great buy. Like I said, I got a million of these, so I sell a couple sets a week, so that's a great thing. Last but not least, some ink. Ink went out for $30, free shipping. Charge free shipping because these usually go for $15. So I just kind of add the shipping to the price, and but I usually can send these out for about $7, so not too bad. Like y'all know, I'm pennies into this. I got more ink. I got ink for days and toner and stuff like that I got in a big lot earlier this year. So I'm glad to see these go, especially the big ones like this. So it freed me up some space. So yeah, man. Excuse my bar, man. I got all kinds of stuff. I got some stuff I just got that I got finished videoing. Some nice pickups from the bin store. I think if you follow my Instagram at Tesla Picker, you'll see it there before you see it on YouTube. A lot of times, maybe in my stories, I post where I'm at and show y'all certain things and things of that nature. And yeah, man, that's about it. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.
Yo.